Calf stretches. So for calf stretches, pretend you have a giant clock in front of you, and 12 o'clock is where you want both your toes to be facing. So whether it's my front foot or my back foot, I want to make sure that my toes are facing straight ahead and not doing one of these little maneuvers out to the side, either the front or the back one. So both of them straight on towards 12 o'clock. From the side view, you want to make sure your heel, the back heel on the calf you're trying to stretch, is on the floor. Front knee has a slight bend in it. And again, from this angle, you can use a wall. And from here, we're gonna do toe in, heel out. So with my left foot, my toe's gonna go towards 1 o'clock, my heel's gonna go towards 7 o'clock. And within the shoe, I wanna make sure that my foot is flat. So I don't wanna have my foot doing this within the shoe. I wanna make sure that it's all flat in the shoe. And we're gonna hold the stretch 20 to 30 seconds. And that is how you get your calves. Another way to stretch the calves is to have the ball of the foot hanging off the edge of a step. And again, just allowing that heel to drop. You're not forcing it, just allow gravity to take it as it will. Again, 20 to 30 seconds this way. And again, you can do the toe in, heel out, just like we showed you before on the other tutorial. So again, just toe in, heel out, drop the heel, allow gravity to do its job, and that's another way to get your calves. Again, another variation, nothing fancy schmancy. You probably have seen this at one point or another, where your toe and your heel are here. Keep your legs straight, your knees straight, and don't bend, and then lean in towards that stretch. Again, that gives you a good stretch through your calf. Also might get a little bonus and get a stretch through the bottom of your foot as well.